good morning. It is a nice little kind of rainy, sprinkly morning here. Me and Nikki are on our way to Osaka Castle. We took the metro line up, and then we're taking we took like metro line like 2/3 of the way. We're gonna walk the rest of the third of the way just to walk around town or something. Right now we're heading to Family Mart because it is the shit, and getting snacks and coffee and all that shit. It should be a nice kind of dreary day, I guess. Try again. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Kashi. Pumpkin slice. Scallop. We should get like 20 of those. Osaka Kafu. Yes, assault rifles sound just like that. Yeah, maybe we will pass on that one.
Where it's craftsmanship.
Yeah.
Like all the wood.
Yeah, that this way. You know what? I don't really know. We're catching up with them. Look, they probably stopped to make sure we're okay. Nikki has a new Japanese grandpa who hit her with his walking stick because she was taking too long or being too slow or something. He's waiting for you, man. He really is. Yeah. I guess I wasn't paying attention to it. Is this the part we could have taken? Probably. Whatever. Careful through here. Finally. We are not at the top, but we're close. Here are the tango trees. Tango. They're named after a supernatural beings from Japanese folklore. At least that's what Wikipedia told me. They're super old. Okay, off to Ponpon. Oh, you're so pretty. I don't even want to talk about it. We have made it to the top of Mount Ponpon. Elevation, unknown. Time, unknown. But we started here, Osaka. And then we're going here, Kyoto. This is only 3/4 of our distance, pretty much. I'm hoping the rest of it's downhill. Yes, this is still going. We are apparently almost there. I don't know. Oh, I want to drink that water so bad. Oh, we have found the bus. It's very air conditioned, which is amazing. The hike was beautiful, it was awesome, but it was really rough. Long hike. It is now, it's about 2 o'clock. Probably finished about 15 minutes ago, so about 2 o'clock. We started at 8. That's some number of hours, whatever.
Started about 8:30.
Yeah. My feet hurt, we stink, we smell like shit, we smell bad. We're gonna catch this bus over to the metro and then take our metro to our area and check into our hostel. Nikki, do you know what town this is?
I think it's called like Muko or something.
We're gonna go with Muko. Muko. Anyways, we're just looking for the metro now to take us to our area, and we were just remarking on how cute and tiny the houses are.
Raven.
Ooh, Raven. Cute and tiny. Cute and tiny.
I don't know what it's called. We can put like a little ticker down here. What's this place called? First meal in Kyoto. I'm gonna have a curry udon with egg, some hot sake because that sounds really good after that hike we did today. Nikki's gonna do the tempura udon. You want me to say it? Yes. Those seats. There's like 2 here. That's it. And then there's a wall here. See? And then there's the kitchen. 4 or 5. There's like 5 seats.
It's about the onsen. Or the sento.
I didn't have time. I just wanted it real bad, so mine's gone. But I still have some hot sake.
Now we're gonna try to find some dessert and maybe a bathhouse too.
Now we are off to a spot for some dessert. I don't remember what it's called. It starts with an R. It does.
I just banged on the window. We have made it to Ran no Tai. I think that's how you say it. It's this little like dessert place that specializes in matcha. Nikki's getting some cake and tofu matcha cake, and she's getting a matcha latte, and I'm getting the matcha affogato, which we're assuming is ice cream and matcha then. Because it'd be weird if it was espresso with some matcha. Look at this area. Look at just, and there's, you probably can't see it, but there's like a little garden out here. And me and Nikki have been trying to figure this out. Why is this place so quiet and relaxing? In general, the country. And where's all the people?